we discovered that we had three different voices. You were not so handsome, now you're handsome. Let's give to Cesare what is not Cesare.
Blowing up like a flower.
Yeah.
So yes, we
I
have
was
three,
saying that we had
three different personalities.
three different voices.
Yes. They are shorter than me. Do you want to fight tonight?
No, and you should know that being a group, the hardest choice for us, the reason why we discuss every day.
Yeah, but explain to them.
Explain.
The reason why we have three different personalities. So we decided to sing is an example.
To sing solos.
We decided to dedicate a moment to a solo on each one.
What are you gonna sing tonight?
My business. What you want?
Did I ask you what you're gonna sing? What are you gonna sing?
So I'm since November I started taking vocal lessons, opera lessons, and so I'm trying to improve and to don't get scared. So to destroy my fear, singing an aria from yeah, I know, Madame Butterfly, which the most wonderful composer of all the time, Puccini, wrote. So what about you?
I'm gonna sing an aria from Giacomo Puccini, Tosca, e Luciano Visconti. How about you?
I love Giacomo Puccini, yeah. I love it.
Why don't you sing a song?
I like Giacomo Puccini, but I love Elvis Presley, so we'll do a tribute to my idol. I'll try to do my best. Are you gonna do the...
And you know, the hardest choice for us is to pick.
What did you drink before? Relax, chill.
The hardest choice for us before a show is to pick the first one who started the solo. And
It's not hard because you forced me.
no,
I mean, I have no choice.
because when he started, the other two go rest for 3 minutes, right?
Ignazio, the stage is
No,
all
no,
yours.
he's taller than us. He's lucky enough to start the first solo.
Okay. So if I'm the one who's gonna start, why don't you leave the stage?
You give me the mic, and I'm gonna introduce to the audience, ladies and gentlemen, please have a big applause to Ignazio.